Hello, this is Jared from Blender Tidbits, and I'm going to have a little tutorial about the game engine. Alright, so I'm using version 2.7 as you can see here, and today we're going to make something simple, just moving a cube around with the keys of your keyboard. Alright, I am just going to make sure you can see which keys I press, and then we will begin. So I'll change the layout from the normal layout to the game logic layout. I'll also get rid of this because it's in the way for this tutorial, and I'll also change the renderer to the Blender game. You can see that did some changes to prefixes down here. Now we have all our objects up here in this view, and down here we have the different logic bricks, and this is basically like Legos for building our game engine. We have sensors that will sense things, for example objects colliding with each other or keyboard keys being pressed, and then we have actions that does different actions according to what you want them to do. Alright, and we will start very simply by making an always sensor. This always senses something, it seems, and it will do a motion, and we'll drag these together so that they're connected, and we want it to move in the y-axis, as you can see down here. And the y-axis is this one in the middle, and we'll make it go 0.1. We can hit start to check it out, and escape to escape, and as you can see it went perfectly. You can also hit P, and I prefer hitting P, so I'll do that for the rest of this tutorial. Now this isn't very exciting. We need also to have keyboard presses so that you can actually control your game, and we do this by the keyboard sensor, and we will hit right arrow over this field, and this has every time right arrow is hit we will do a motion action, and we won't do the movement, that's this field. We'll do the rotation of the object, that's this field, because it's always going forward, and we will want it to rotate around the center of the object, which is the z-axis. Alright, so going to the top view again, we will have it rotate -5 around the z-axis, and as you can see we are moving. Now it's all a case of just duplicating this action again, just with the left arrow and with the motion being 5 degrees instead of -5 degrees as we had before. And now you can see that we have a perfectly functioning cube moving on our screen. Well, I know this was basic, but this is the building blocks of my tutorial series, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.